Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, July 13, 2016. The market has reached their tops everywhere, I believe. I think it's going to be some correction over the next few days. I don't see why the market would take up again. It's already started most everywhere. So let's see the US dollar that started a downward movement this morning going towards the previous support. And most of the market, you would notice that on the 1 year chart here, the Japan market is the lowest. It has reached this resistance, and it's going to stop right here. A little bit higher than that at this level, we'll find China market, which is at the triple resistance. So as you can see, the Nikkei is there. The China market is higher at the triple resistance, and it's going to stop there too. And the London market is at a top 2, higher than China. So if we go one by one, it's very clear that okay, it's going to stop here for the Nikkei, there for the Hansen, there for the London market. So all one higher than the other one. Okay, and then now the SPY, which has initiated, is a sideways movement. So that's the reason why I think the bullish cycle is getting tired and out of oxygen right now, and we see the same thing on the Nasdaq market. So Nasdaq, New York, and the SPY are beginning their sideways movement prior normally to a correction, and the SPDD is just showing the same thing. So this morning the gas was going down, the crude oil was going down, even very recently in the last few minutes it went down again. So it's approaching yesterday's bottom, and so that is yesterday's bottom. So let's see the daily chart. The energy sector is retaking its downtrend that was here and then there, and yesterday's pullback never reversed the steepest downtrend. So, and it's still now in a downtrend and testing its short-term support. So we could see the stochastic going down now, and I can see the crude oil keep going back down, and the gas is sitting on its support also, and the stock are still resisting a lot because they should be here and they're there. So, but if the crude oil keeps going down, sooner or later the stock will go down too. And as it stays there, look, the overbought, oversold indicator is oscillator is coming up now, ready to return once more. So I think that definitely the stock will follow sooner or later. And then the gold is going the opposite direction. As the crude oil is going down since this morning, I thought that if the crude oil goes down lower, the gold goes up higher, and we have a very significant movement right here. Let's see that on a closer look. You see, so it went here this morning. We had a correction. We're back to this resistance, which is at the same time yesterday's resistance. So past 128.50 on the gold, the gold will remain positive. So I think it's going to be watched within the next hour or two. It's possible that we see the crude oil going lower and see the gold breaking out. And then if you look at all of the sectors, so the mining has started a sideways movement too. I think it's the end of this bullish cycle and it's overbought. The oscillator was right every last 4 times, and it's pretty well the same everywhere. The consumer discretionary starts a sideways movement on an overbought situation. The financial shows the same. The industrial shows the same, and even the staples sooner or later will start the same as well. And the technology is already like that too. So ending a bullish cycle. So for the next 2 3 days, I think we could expect some more correction. And all the news we got was that the Bank of Japan is buying directly from the government the bonds and to finance their economy, and the commercial balance was lower in China, and the industrial production in the Eurozone was lower, and also German have sold their 10 years of bond at negative rates, and that's what it was. And we had a couple of news there. Adtran was going up on 2 cents better than expected, because they were expecting 23, they had 25, but the stock came right back right after. And Chorus, that were predicting 41, had 34. The stock felt on its support, and the New York Stock Exchange is delisting Atlas Resources. The stock is halted already, so it disappeared from the New York Stock Exchange. Juno Therapeutic has been they were on a clinical hold by the FDA before. So the FDA said it's okay to go with your clinical phase 2 trial. And Valent has been very active this morning. It doesn't look like on the daily chart, but if you look at it on the 5-minute chart, it was very nice movement going up this morning and then down, because the first news we got was saying that the second largest fund, which is a second largest shareholder, which is the Sequoia Fund, said that they had closed their position in June, and right up to that, there was another news that came out saying that the president had sold millions of shares. He still had a lot, but he sold millions of them, so it brought the stock back down, and that's what it is. And Petrolia now is going to take the Resources Quebec in court, It's a subsidiary of Investissement Québec, and they want to force Quebec Resources to give them the money they promised them before, and that's what it is. Okay. USOB broke its support at 1066. USO here. Yes. Yeah. Okay. But we have analyzed it. It's in a downtrend already. Now is a good time for HOD. I think yes. Sorry. Hi, Michelle. Could you comment on the Venture Composite Index behavior for this year? Yeah. There we are. I know you watch this index as an indicator of market behavior. Yeah, in the past, I've said it once in a while. In the past, I've been following the market for more than 30 years. And every time the venture market is the riskiest market on this planet, I think. So so when the market becomes worried, it's the first market to fall. It's the first market to take a downtrend. But it's also always the first to do the reversal as well. So we haven't seen the venture market going up for a long time, because in 2014 it was going sideways, and 2013 it was going down and sideways, and end of 14 it was going sideways. So it was down. Look, it was since 2012. Okay, it was. Just a little upside here, not long. So it went down, sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways, and then up. So recently that was very, very different. And if you look at the market, look, beginning of 2016, even before the lowest was. Okay, I'll be back after the break. I'll do my lines in the meantime.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
So we were talking about the venture market. You see, where the venture market has reversed its trend was in February. So since a very long time, the venture market hasn't followed an uptrend. And since February, middle of February, the venture market did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a bullish cycle in a row, never ever reversing anything, and so far now it's really a top. Will it do the same thing as here and go up again? So far the gold is in a good situation, the silver is in a good situation. Usually really help this market because there's a lot of resources stock on this market. So far, this market shows us no indication of imminent big problem. but that's all what it is. I always like to see the venture market being in an uptrend, because it tells me that the investors are less worried about the market. PE on venture PE. Pure Energy Minerals. What are we doing with it? Wait or buy? I retake my question in English because malfunction of Guru a couple minutes ago in French. Okay, so and what's the question? What are we doing with it? Wait or buy? Okay, so you don't have any. So wait or buy? Buy it at 85. For the moment, and the last two breakout did bring money, so there's no reason why it wouldn't do it again. So just wait until 85 cents. 100,000 AVA or Vista Gold at 27. Okay. Today, okay, yeah, I see. I didn't read it first, but ouch, okay. This is a tough thing. You are very. I'm not sure what name to use. But you are not really afraid to do something like that. You know, in this angle, I hope you the best, and no way I would do it a day like today, of course, because you see, look, the signals on the stock was there. Okay, this is the first signal. Okay, and then there was the second here, which was interesting with this on this volume. Okay, so the first on this volume, the second on this volume, both movements, and then the third happened here on that day, and then this one here on that day when the volume resumed from nothing to here, and but after that, it's been very, very difficult. Here was not as bad, at least, but now what worries me is that you have bought a stock that went from almost 15, the stock has doubled. In July, this stock had double. And now, I hope you haven't bought it on a short-term peak, okay? So, and it's a big position for that stock at the same time today. And and so far it's doing well. Okay, it's doing well because it took off this way. So and the volume is very, very, very big. It was not very prudent of your part to do that, and but there will be a sell signal at 26 in the short term. So I hope the best for you. The stock's still very, very, very strong. But I think you thought you took a little bit of a big risk. Hi, Michelle. Do you want to? What do you think of ZMT? Is that it? ETF at this time. Oh, that's yeah, that's an ETF. BMO. I don't know what is that, and what it is following. But to me, this is a top. So I wouldn't buy it at this time because this is really a resistance here. And as the financials are showing a top and everything is showing a top right now, so I would wait to see what it's going to do over the next few days.
Equal weight, ça veut dire que tous les titres ont la même.
Okay, so they bought what? Mining. Okay, so that's in mining, but all stocks are had an equivalent weight. That's what it means. But I mean, if this value stays where it is for the next few days and then takes off at 8, okay. But in the meantime, I'm afraid of a correction within the next few days, so I don't think it's the proper time right now. Thank you very much for attending, everyone. We'll see you next week.